Chad Seabrook with eXp Realty, bringing you another great home here in Madison, Mississippi. This is 88 Bozeman Paine Circle, right in the middle of Madison between the Gluckstadt border and the Madison border. 3 acres, beautiful real estate, one of which is a full 1 acre stocked pond. This is a 4,400 square foot house, 5 bedroom, 4.5 baths. You're not going to want to miss this one. Enough talking for now. Let's go inside and check out 88 Bozeman Paine Circle. That's a wrap on 88 Bozeman Paine Circle. Right in the middle of Madison. Don't miss this property. It's quiet, 3 acres, close to everything. We'll see you soon.